edition of FFS Pro Quick Tips, we're going to discuss the proper installation of the 3M Scotch lock connectors. These connectors are used to make wiring connections for devices connected to EVO series tank monitors. We'll take our wires, and they don't need to be stripped. These are non-strip connectors. So we take two clean ends, and we're going to slide them into our 3M Scotch lock until we feel them bottom out. Then we want to get our pliers, and we're going to crimp down on the blue section like so. You want to make sure that the entire blue section is evenly and flatly suppressed in. If it's up on one side, you may have a poor connection on that wire. So let's do another one here. So we'll take our black wires. Again, we're going to stick them into our 3M Scotch lock connector until it bottoms out. I have to give it a little push. Give it a tug. There we go. And do one more. Since this is a 3-wire device, you make sure those wires go all the way in. Give it a nice good punch. Give it a pull. There you go.